So once we're done with this debugging, typically it's a good idea to remove the breakpoint that we used temporarily to observe where this was saved, and just go back to debug and stop debugging. Okay, so the next portion of this assignment is recommending us to experiment with Windows operating system application programming interface calls. So for example, we have here a loop which generates beep at certain frequencies. And right here, this beep and sleep, which basically puts the program to sleep for a specific interval of time, is both of these are examples of Windows API calls. To be able to get access to them, we include windows.h in our C or C++ program. These facilities, beep and sleep, actually come from kernel 32. And if you look at the project settings that we're using by default in the console configuration on Windows, we should be able to see that under linker input, these right here, there is kernel 32 available. So kernel 32 provides these two functions, and therefore we should be able to do the same thing, the same work in our assembly program. But first let's test if this all holds together. By the way, this command dumpbin exports from this kernel 32.dll, which is dynamically loaded into our program space when our program starts. If you want to run this command, what you need to do is go to your menu under Windows and scroll down to Visual Studio. If you install your Visual Studio on the system, under this set of utilities which are available, there's a developer command prompt. So this developer command prompt is the one that we can use. And again, you can just copy this command and paste it in this command window using developer command prompt for Visual Studio 2019. And if you hit enter, you're going to get all of this output, which is pretty lengthy output. And these are all APIs that are available, including working with files and many other very good functionality available to just this is just the whole basic operating system set of functions. You can explore this list. So here's a copy of this list generated some time ago. Alright, so we're now going to test. I'm going to close this console right now, and we're going to test this first. So let's create just another project. I'm going to say build clean solution and the file close solution for now. And we'll come back to the solution, but let's just do a quick test. I'll create a new project, and this will be an empty project. Which I will name M09 Win API demo, and my location of course is right here. So just keep all of my projects in the same place on my hard drive, and say create.